Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the snake pattern on the mirror cube, and it looks really cool. So, what you're going to do is, it's a pretty long algorithm, but it's not that long. So turn the left side down, turn the top side to the left, like that. Turn the back side, so turn the back side like this. Right, now turn the top side to the right. Now turn the right side up. Now turn the left side up as well. And then turn the back side like that. Now turn the right side down. And turn the front side clockwise. Next, turn the back side like this. And then now turn the bottom side to the right, like that. Turn the right side up. Turn the bottom side to the left. And then turn the front side anti-clockwise. And there you go, you have the snake pattern on the Rubik's Twist. So it looks really cool. So it's like a snake just going all around, all the way in the cube. And yeah, so if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.